Hello, Victor here, RestoringMercedes.com. Jay, this is for you, buddy. So, passenger side headlight 2010 E350. So, it's been removed. We have lots of little pieces of insulation inside the light. I'm going to blow them all out when I finish with it, because it doesn't make sense to do it now, since there will be more falling off. And I got the plug free, and here's a beauty of a wiring. So let's take a look. These are completely shorted. These are also shorted. Well, given that when I was removing them, more insulation fell off, but all of this tape was put in there before me. This is our jump that went through here. So this is not right. I'm going to reattach it. Oh boy, you have to reattach it. I mean, it cannot, you know, this is something else. And a little light here for driving light and high beam. Okay, Jay, so what I decided to do is I decided to heat shrink wrap all the wires. I cut them, I wrapped them, heat shrink wrap 2-3 layers, and I soldered them back together. So this particular light had this jump wire. I connected it back because there was some wires that were horribly shorted. So at this point, all of the wires are isolated, no more shorts, everything's alright. So I'm going to put all the bulbs back in, and I'm going to test the main plug and activate all lights independently. Okay, Jay, so I'm going to activate bulbs individually now before I take this light back to the vehicle. And now we have driving light, we have low beam, we have blinker, we have high beam. So as you can see, no more shorts. Lights all work. Okay, Jay, so now I just put the light back in the car real quick just to see what's going on. It is very late and it's raining, so as you can see the hazards are on. So this one does not work, the hazard. The low beam works, low beam does not work on this side. Parking light works, driving light works. The wire that was cut is reconnected here. I resoldered it, but apparently there is no power going into the low beam, so I have to trace it back out and see what happens. I just don't want to really have the car sitting here in the driveway without any lights. It looks very, very bad. So tomorrow I'm gonna try to get to it and see what I can do. High beams work, but I also have to deal with this because driving light on this side does not work. So anyway, I got the blinker and all the wires are proper inside the headlight now. So now I can get that light rewired and then move on to control modules to see what's going on. Fuses, what have you, maybe the SAM, I don't know, but at least that is already a result because you had no blinkers. Right now, as you can see, both lights are on. It's a hazard. You know, I don't want to get it wet, so I have to move on here. Here's the hazard lights. Okay, so I think that will be all for tonight. It's quite late. Check turn signal, front left, turn signal, front left parking light. Nothing about the actual low beam.